Hey Jules, Flojo clocking in, and I just wanted to hop on and say hello, but I'm gonna let y'all watch the video. This is my first meeting with a Eastern Star group that I am getting elected to be in, and so if you've never heard of Eastern Star, then you can Google what Eastern Star Sisterhood is and so forth. But we had a good meeting tonight. We did a meet and greet, and we have a lot of meetings and stuff planned. We got the dates for our first meeting and stuff. I don't know if the video gonna go out into all that because I don't want to hold y'all too long. But I thought it would be pretty cool to show y'all my first meeting, and we was on a Zoom call. I almost forgot about the meeting, so I came home, took a shower, and had to make myself look decent because I had my jailhouse braids under here. So I had to hurry up and put my rag on and stuff. But anyway, I'm gonna be vlogging and showing if they let me. I'm gonna show as much as I can, but I will be vlogging and stuff when we have meetings and when we have different events. We'll be doing special stuff for the community. Going out of town. Going on going around town doing stuff and stuff like that. So it's gonna be a lot, and it'll be a lot to show y'all and a lot to explain to y'all for this journey with me. Once again, y'all know I'm the journey queen yet again. I'm on another journey, and I'm joining a sisterhood, and I'm so excited because these are all mixed age women, older than me, young. I don't know about younger than me, but older than me and probably around the same age as me. So I'm excited. Let's get into the video.
How y'all doing?
Good.
Hey, ladies, I just want to make sure I got everybody on the right rooms real quick. Okay. So I'm just going to quickly check. Okay, Clarissa, I got you in the wrong room. Baby.
Okay.
Clarissa, you leaving?
No, okay. I see you again.
Okay. Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Oh shoot, I don't know what I did. Okay. Hey, am I in the right room now? Or did I leave out? I don't know what I done did.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. I just don't see nobody, but I'm on here. I don't see nothing, but I'm on here.
Okay.
Oh, there. These rooms are all mixed up, I think. Oh, yeah. I see y'all. Hello, hello. Do you
Hello.
see me?
We can't. Mm-mm.
I can't see. I can't see.
Okay,
Let's
now
see.
now I can see you.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, while she's getting her mic together, we're going to keep moving and then we'll come back to that, okay? So we're going to go ahead and have some comments by Sister Shamita Benson at this time. Hello, can y'all hear me? Yes. Yes. Okay. Good evening, ladies. Good evening. How are you all doing this evening? Okay. Good, good. I want to take a few minutes and kind of explain really what the Order of Eastern Star is about. I know we have some ladies on here that kind of have an idea, but not completely. So I want to kind of give a quick blanket explanation in regards to what the Order of Eastern Star is about. So the Order of Eastern Star is a Masonic body, both open to men and women. Okay, established in 1850 by a lawyer and educator, Robert Morris, who was a noted Freemason. Okay? The order is based on teachings from the Bible, but it is open to people of all religious backgrounds. Okay? It has approximately 10,000 chapters in our country, and about 20 countries are involved. Although not a part of the Masonic fraternity, okay, membership is based on your Masonic affiliation or your relationship. You also need to have a belief in a supreme being and a desire to acquire additional knowledge and for self-improvement. The degrees of the Order of Eastern Star teach the lessons of fidelity, constancy, loyalty, faith, and love. These degrees are presented in a beautiful ritualistic ceremony designed not only to teach the lessons, but also provide insight for further study and for understanding. The local Eastern Star chapters, we select our own charities, and we have places of service in our own communities. Some projects include scholarships for the youth. We work with elderly and home-aged members. And each year, our special charities are selected for that year's emphasis and might include volunteer programs in local schools, volunteer program in literacy programs, and Pacific community outreaches within our local communities. The Eastern Star is also a social organization with frequent formal events and ceremonies. Being a member is a wonderful and fulfilling thing, and it is a good part of the way of life. We are about sisterhood, and we believe that together we can build a better life as women. Elect Ladies, chapter number 9, is a local subordinate chapter of Queen Elizabeth Grand Chapter under the leadership of the most worthy Grand Matron, St. Lachelle Jarvis. We are an adopted right of the most worshipful Abraham Grand Lodge under the leadership of the most worshipful Grand Master, Brian Jasper. We were chartered in May of 2020, and since then, we have been under the leadership of myself, worthy matron Shamita Benson. I am sure that you will be briefed on all of our calendar of events, and if you haven't been already, you will still see that we have a year plan of amazing activities to include a Zydeco, multiple community services, about 4 fundraisers, and a host of other exciting things that we have planned for the year, to include about several out-of-town trips. So be ready.
Okay.
I'd like to welcome you to embark on this journey and to look forward to seeing each and every one of you on the other side. Back to you, Byron.
Okay. Sister Suzanne, you got your mic ready? Miss Suzanne? Okay, well, while we're still waiting on her, we're going to get ready to go into some breakout rooms. We're going to go into 2 rooms. The first room will be a room where there's all the interested ladies will go into that room with Sister Suzanne and Sister Althea.